How to enable or disable app notification pop-up on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. So you will see apps is here. So click on apps. Now here, scroll down, you will see apps is here. So you will select app notification. So you will select app. So click on app, for example, and click on notifications. So after click on notification, you will see notification pop-up is here. So if you want to disable notification pop-up, so click on this icon, you will see notification pop-up is disabled. So if you want to enable notification pop-up, so click on this icon, you will see notification pop-up is enabled. So you will enable or disable notification pop-up from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable app notification pop-ups on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.